Hey, I'm Mike. I work as a manager in a company with a large team of field workers. I found a perfect tool that makes my work much easier. resco.FieldService is a job execution software for operations and maintenance. It's a reliable and flexible solution for everyone involved in the field. Let me show you how it helps. I can easily organize my assets and get a perfect overview of related tasks, technicians, and job history. Creating, scheduling, and tracking work orders has never been easier. It also helps me choose the best person for any task. With resco.FieldService, everyone knows what's next. I've prepared maintenance plans for my assets and new work orders will be created automatically. I always know what's happening because I get real-time updates from the field. Thanks to alerts, I can respond immediately when an incident occurs. Customers connect with us through a client portal. They use it to raise tickets, view job history, or simply get in touch with my staff. I turned every form, report, or checklist digital. With a powerful questionnaire and report designer tool, it was just a matter of minutes. My field workers use the app to receive work orders, collect data, perform inspections, and create reports. It even optimizes the best route for them. Resco Field Service, the perfect end-to-end job execution tool for every mission in the field. Resco Field Service, everything in the field now under your control.